welcome back to another episode on Christy vs. Kitchen. Now, I know it's been a few weeks since I last uploaded. We've been doing a lot of traveling, but I am back and I am ready to try out a new TikTok recipe, which is called a donut dump cake. Now, this only requires 5 ingredients, and I just wanted to actually test this to see if it's even gonna taste good, because after the last TikTok video I did, I am just not quite as certain about these recipes anymore, so I figured I might as well try this and see if this is going to be the next best recipe hack. So to get started, what you are going to need are glazed donuts, 1 can of evaporated milk, 1 can of sweetened condensed milk, a vanilla cake mix, and a stick and a half of butter. So let's go ahead and get started. Okay, so the first thing we are going to do is preheat the oven to 350, which I already did. And now we're going to grease our cake pan down, just like that. The next thing we are going to do is fit as many whole donuts as possible in a single layer at the bottom of the casserole dish. So, sounds pretty easy so far. I have some space, so I'm just gonna do half donuts. So I just got these donuts at the grocery store, so I'm sure if you did Krispy Kreme, maybe it would be even better, because these are definitely more cake donut. Okay, that looks pretty good. That was easy. All right, layer 1 done. All right, the next thing we are going to do is drizzle 1 can of evaporated milk on top of it. The one thing I do like about dump recipes is that there's little prep involved and you literally just dump everything in. This is one I've never tried before, and I'm just, like I said, I'm a little bit of a skeptic. So I'm just gonna pour this in. This feels very, very strange to me. Okay, layer 2 is done. Now we're going to drizzle some sweetened condensed milk. I don't think there's a wrong or right way to do this. Okay. All right, next we are going to sprinkle 1 cake mix over the donuts and milk. Try to cover the entire surface of the casserole dish. I don't feel like we're gonna need the entire cake mix. Is 1 whole cake mix? Okay, we have a mountain of cake mix right there. Alright, the next thing we are going to do is slice up a stick and a half of butter and try to cover the entire surface. Really matters if they're it should be just thinly sliced. All right, so we're gonna put it into the oven and okay, oven's ready. So now we're gonna just put it in the oven for 40 minutes and see what happens. I'm not gonna lie, it looks interesting. We're gonna let it cool because it's definitely sizzling on the outside before we cut into it, but I mean, it looks like a cake. It looks like there's some leftover cake mix on the top, so all right, we're gonna let this cool down and then we'll cut into it. I have no idea how this is gonna taste, but I can tell you that it smells absolutely amazing. So let's go ahead and cut into this and see what happens. I don't even know. I can see the donut So it's, as you can see, it's kind of a mess, but that's okay. I guess we need to try it. I'm gonna see if I can get a better piece for this. That looks a lot better. Getting the whole donut in there. So I'm impressed. It looks like a cake so far, but we definitely need to try this. It almost reminds me of a strudel, how the powdery stuff is still on top. So I need to get a real good bite right here. All right, here we go. It's still kind of hot, but it is really, really good. What? Let me give you an idea of what this tastes like. I'm gonna try. So there was a very warm vanilla flavor with it. The donuts have absorbed the evaporated milk and the sweetened condensed milk. And then the topping is like a crunchy strudel. I'm actually really impressed with it. So what I would recommend doing if you are gonna make this, make sure you get cake donuts. I would not get super light and fluffy type donuts. I would definitely get a larger, like a supermarket donut where there is more substance to it so it can absorb that liquid. But overall, this is actually pretty good. It'd be really good paired with ice cream. And it almost tastes like a fall cake because it has like that strudel flavoring. I don't know, it's actually really, really good. I'm really impressed. So if you want to try this recipe, remember that it is linked down below. I really don't have any words. I'm like surprised. I'm glad that TikTok didn't let us down this time. And I know fall is coming up, so I need to know down below what fall recipes you guys want me to try. I need all the ideas, so send them my way. Thank you so much for watching another episode on Christy vs. Kitchen. Make sure to like the video if you liked it, subscribe, hit the bell, and we will see you next time. Cheers.